Hey guys, we're casting right across from Bass Lake right now. There's another pond here, and you could call this part 3 of Bass Lake because it's probably included with Bass Lake, isn't it? Probably. Yeah. As a part of it. Yeah. Let's just call it Bass Lake. Fishing at Bass Lake Part 3. Ooh. This is actually part 3. Right now. This part 2. That's the whole entire place. Second tingle for the day. Wow. I haven't got tingles yet. Lucky. I can get this. My hands smell like fish. After that one that I caught in part 1. Oh, when you get tangled up, you probably get really mad. Can I get this untangled first? Mommy, you can help me for a second, please?
Ezra, you want to move out? No, stay here with me, buddy. You can't walk over there by yourself. Hold on.
Where is he?
I don't know. Just wait a second.
Trying to fix this. I mean, I got half of it. Hey, at least Ezra didn't do it this time. I don't know. I just cast it and then brought it back in. Buddy cop. I'm trying to be rude, but yeah, he'll be one soon. But this will all be Bass Lake. There's probably gonna be a second lake back there. Ooh, where's that trail go? I wonder where. Oh, we could do this in the wind. We have to get that tiny little. Hey, at least it's not a knot. Hey, when this happens. welcome.
Let's come over here.
Right there, guys, is a what not to do situation.
Tangle tapping.
I probably did not flip my bail or I was wrapped around the thing. So let's go back. Just try not to do that. Guys, when you guys are fishing, get walking. Walking across the street. Nice houses here. Just they're so close together. You can hear someone flush their toilet. Oh, Bass Lake. Nice community. Where the heck did Daddy go? Oh, he's always... I didn't see him. Here's mostly grass. 3 more minutes. And I'll be stopping my video. I feel like most of them be 10 or 12 minutes. Smell all that wood. There we go. It's like a little moss pile. See? Tablet's free from sand. And that's like moss pile. Bring my thing up a little bit. Okay, we might have to get to a stopping point soon. Just fish this right here. Might catch something. Nice cast. Husky jerkbait. You have to like jerk it. Little speck. Wow. Speck going into the water. What's this thing going around it? Circle. It's free of weeds right here, kinda. Oh, bad one. Sometimes they'll be bad. Well, not all the time you'll catch something, but it was a good little adventure going to the little pond over there. Well, I have to come to a stopping point, so have a good night like, subscribe, and comment below if necessary. And most of all, thanks for watching. Check out Big Bear Fishing, One Rod, One Reel Fishing. And don't forget to subscribe for them too. Thank you for watching.